what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video of Sana's Pretty Little World. So what are we gonna do today? Yes, we are here with an unboxing video guys. And as you can see, we are unboxing the MacBook Air. So come on, let's dive into the video.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we chose MacBook Air 2020 Rose Gold. It's the Mac OS Catalina version 10.15.7, MacBook Air Retina 13-inch 2020. Processor 1.1 GHz dual-core Intel Core i3. And it has a memory of 8GB 3733. And the graphics is Intel Iris Plus Graphics 1536 MB.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And you guys, just see how slim and sleek it looks. It's very handy to carry wherever you go. So moving forward, let's see what we got inside the box. And as you can see, we have the USB-C charging cable and its adapter too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
And it also contains a booklet.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's so light, and that is the appeal of MacBook Air. This really is a perfect tiny little computer, and it's so handy. This is the first model in MacBook in which the screen gets on automatically when we open the MacBook.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go
guys, this is the first model in which Apple has introduced MacBooks with Touch ID.
Towards the sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And the soundbars are very effective and just amazing.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And this is not all about MacBook Air, guys. We will be coming with a detailed video soon. So until then, stay tuned with Sana's Pretty Little World. Bye-bye!
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.